This was a case study done in the 10K designers cohort as an assignment. So I choose to make productivity app. Why is that, you ask? I personally struggle with it. I freelanced and managed my college all by myself and find a hard time doing it. I tried many apps, but there isn't a single stop solution for all of my problems. So I designed one for myself. Oftentimes I start working but get lost watching a YouTube video, or maybe prioritize the wrong tasks for the day, which I can delay a bit later, or even actually find it hard to work and procrastinate a lot. What basically I was lacking was a proper structure and motivation to work. So once I choose my problem statement, my brain was ideating a lot of solutions and I wanted to start designing right away. But I wanted to find proper insights on how I could solve productivity in a unique way. I didn't just want to make just another productivity app. I wanted to give a touch of my own. So as being a spiritual person, I researched about Islam and how productivity was related with each other. Then it sparked to me, what if I combine 2 to 3 systems into a single one and make a new one? I studied Prophet Muhammad's life, peace be upon him, and also studied modern day productivity hacks and systems, how to manage time, how to stay focused. I also did a Twitter search seeing what people were seeking for as productivity, whether it be apps or systems or softwares. I was digging deep into what the actual problem they were facing. Most of them, as myself, were facing problems as procrastination. So I wanted to basically build an app around procrastinators who had the will to work, but then they were procrastinating a lot. After all of the research, here are the main insights gathered which helped me move forward. You have to be focused to stay productive. Have goal-based tasks. Have a limited number of active tasks to manage time. Gamifying stuff makes tasks interesting and avoids distraction. And finally, turn off mobile notifications to stay focused. And then here's the solution I ideated. So ideally in Islam, there are 5 prayers. So I made 5 different levels in a day. You could categorize your tasks in that, and then after completion of every single level you would get an achievement, and then that would be a token which you could collect and show off. I made a feature list and then categorized that using Moscow analysis, what would be the main features in my app. So let's talk design. I did information architecture by analyzing competitors' app, looking at how they structured and prioritized things. After I put my initial thoughts on sketches and ideated the UI, how it would look. Then I did a style guide, aiming for a clean and minimal design with not a visual noise. This was the style guide I came up with. So for onboarding, I decided to make it simple and easy to understand, to the point, giving the users the exact information what they need to understand about the product. Right after you enter the home screen, you get to see the analysis of the previous week. System recommends you videos to help you boost your productivity, showing you tips and tricks. Right below are the tasks categorized into 5 different levels, rewarding you at completion of every level with a token to stay motivated. This indicates the gamifying aspect which I discussed earlier. Adding task flow has tags and goals feature in that, whereby selecting the particular tags and goals, the algorithm of the app will prioritize tasks for you in a day. Not to worry what should I do first, just you insert your tags and goals, it would do that for you. Then we have the calendar. It lets you add events. You can also add links or location. In profile section, you can view all the tokens right away you earned for that day, which you could share with your friends. And right below that, we have detailed report of your tasks and your focus tracker. We have daily, weekly, monthly and yearly productivity tracker, which gives users a better insight. Focus tracker kind of represents digital well-being feature, where it shows the screen time on different apps. On goals flow, you can add goals and their targets which will not only help you prioritize tasks but also send out notifications to act on these goals accordingly. Debug flow lets you focus on a single task for a long period of time. Groups let you find people with similar interests and collaborate with them and help each other out on similar tasks you are working on. Notes are pretty much similar to any standard note taking app. This is the overall UI of the app which I built. My basic focus on this was the strategy on how I could solve productivity in a unique way. Here are the learnings I learned from this project. I learned to prioritize features using frameworks such as Moscow to have a clear vision on what you're building. It is valuable to do research before making important decisions so we can rely on insights and data instead of just our gut feelings or what we personally like. I learned to iterate on my initial concepts as design can always be made better. Iterating from version 1 to version 2 improved my visual skills by a lot. I learned that attention to interactions, how they make overall experience of the app delightful. So here's what I could have done better. I could have worked more on the group section, giving users how exactly they could find similar people and collaborate with them. Data visualization, as I didn't have any experience prior, I found it hard but figured it out later. I could have still shown data in a visually appealing and easy to scan manner. Notification, I had this idea to use the tone of different personalities and give prompts to users, motivating them to do tasks, not just wasting time. And that's pretty much it. I hope you like watching my case study. If there's any feedback, please comment down below as usual. You can reach out to me on these socials. I'm actively looking for product design roles. So if you want to chat, please hit me up. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.